guys, I got a real quick thing I want to say. So you guys know I do workout and you know I do mukbang. So I do want you guys to understand that we will be doing double uploads for the rest of the year. Enjoy this video. What's good? It's your favorite BW back with another mukbang. Oh, it's a mukbang. And I have my beautiful daughter. How do you talk with whatever? And today we'll be doing a vegan spaghetti mukbang. Now I know some people like, it look like a regular pasta, but it ain't. It ain't, girl. But let's pray and we'll get into what we got going on here. Okay, let's go. Ready? Good. Okay, so let's pray. We're going to get into this mukbang. Dear Father God, thank you for this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dinner. Thank you for being able to give me the lamb to create this beautiful dinner. Thank you for all my precious jewels, all my new precious jewels. Thank you for all my family, friends, my animals, the sick, the poor. Continue to watch over us and guide us into greatness, Father God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Amen. We're going to get into this beautiful, beautiful dinner, and we have vegan. And this is what we made it with. It's almost pretty like all vegetables. Because if you think about it, this is made out of veggies. See that? Veggies. Have you ever seen it? Now you see it? Veggies. Yep. Vegan spaghetti. The beautiful dog. Sugar, I'm going to say what's going to be one. We have a salad. Now this salad is beautiful. It has vegetables and fruits in it. We have bananas, grapes, spinach, red peppers, green peppers in here. And we also have, of course, let me not forget, the lemon. Okay, and then we also have some butter bread, which it was hard to find, but we found some vegan bread. And here we have some butter on it. Okay. Inside of this spaghetti, we have red peppers, green peppers, onions, and we have some, it's some organic vegan tomato paste, and they also have, you can eat. Oh, shit, it's funny, man. Yo, this kid is hilarious. And of course, we have some water. But yeah, so anyways.
You realize you're the only one I got popping diabetes?
Oh, that's, man, the life. Okay, so anyways. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys the sauce that I use. Look at the sauce. Be back after these messages. Pure water, organic tomato paste, citric acid, organic diced tomatoes, orange tomato juice, orange extra virgin olive oil, onions, basil seeds, salt, oregano, and roasted garlic. Yeah, so this is it. This is all I use. 100% cruelty for vegan. So let me get into this food because I am hungry and I'm just giving y'all rundown. Get into that bread. This is really good. But let me move back to yours. This is really good. I woke up pretty late today. I'm telling you. Something. I know y'all like, is there meat in there? We do have the vegan ground. If you see the first haul that I did, my first vegan haul, you'll see that what it looks like. The recent one, that's like 2 or 3 videos out. They don't have it in there, but in my very first haul, like maybe 6 videos back, 5, 6 videos, you'll see it. They even have vegan meatballs, which I'm gonna make some spaghetti one day or. I'm so hungry. Yeah. These noodles are vegan, which is so good. Here's the salad again. I always like to incorporate even more green stuff, even though the noodles are nothing but vegetables. Look at it. Yeah, y'all see all the vegetables. I do have carrots, red peppers, green peppers, bananas, all in here. Who wants some on salad? Let me get you something. And what I like to do, because I gotta learn how to make my own salad dressing, because a lot of salad dressings have milk in it, and I ain't feeling that. So, I squeeze a piece of lemon juice on here, get it as citrus as possible. That's up. And look at that. We have a banana in here. We have grapes in here. We have some carrots. So it's a lot of good stuff in there. Look at that. Ooh, that's good. And it smells, ooh, Lord, delicious. And lettuce that I use here, y'all bite. I love spinach and kale. For some reason I can't find kale too much here right now. Maybe they need to hurry up and put some more out, I don't know, but this is spinach.
What is we doing? Like, what topic is we talking about?
So, what topic is we talking about?
I know.
What?
Why you should lay yourself on conditioner?
Oh, I used to skip bleach. I used to get surgery.
Why you should stop listening to school?
Green grape?
This is on my topic. That was great in a diet, in a salad.
This is so beautiful.
You love to talk about the topic that you're talking about beautiful food, but
Ooh, child, I was scared like that. I was so happy.
okay, so after you skin
I can try that pasta. You know what? I'm just gonna start throwing this stuff on this pasta. So it's all fine. It's made. This is made
you know what?
with spinach. Why you copying me?
No, I was doing it.
No. No, don't.
You ain't even
Banana.
talking about a topic, but you talking about food.
Look at this. This is beautiful right here. Oh, that's work. So anyway, so we're gonna talk about self-hate
Finally.
and, you know, just love yourself. Now, self-hate is
What
real.
does loving yourself mean to you?
Loving yourself means take care of yourself care what you put in your body. Just respect to yourself. Because if you respect yourself, you ain't gonna let anybody else do it.
You gotta love yourself before you love anybody else.
Okay, so anyways, I wanted to cover a topic about if you are new here. I appreciate you and thank you for coming and being part of our family. Also, I want to talk about what you will see here. You will get mukbangs, you will get workout videos with just me or both of us. And that's what goes on here. We do a live. Especially when it comes to the gym. It's a beautiful thing. Because we go crazy now. And don't worry about other people. That's what y'all gotta understand. Stop worrying about people.
I love people like.
Look how beautiful this was. People won't put leaves in it. Come on now.
Other people like when you focus on other people and how they live their life. If they got a big house and you living in that little house, or they live in an apartment and you live in a box, or they go to this and then you live here. Them just moments for them. After that photo, or after that video,
You gotta understand, people live in a moment.
they just
Yeah,
live in that
a lot.
moment for now. But when they get home from that vacation, they ain't living at that place. So they probably stay for like 2 nights. Don't mean somebody looks like they having the best life, don't mean they really is.
Alright? You gotta start living for you, not for what other people are doing. Hello. At this point, we didn't mix the salad with the veggies and the spaghetti, and it's good. Look at this. Look. Let me show y'all this. This is beautiful. Y'all see that? Y'all don't. Y'all gotta get into them. Don't be scared to be different. Moral of the story. Don't be scared to be different. Being different is what makes you you.
I'm putting that right back down.
Because you being different and you being you might motivate somebody else. Believe it or not. Believe it or not.
You just took it out my mouth.
Kitty, on the dog.
Yes, you did. You did take it out my mouth. It's on camera. Okay.
Chill out, dog. Y'all heard that Brian? What's wrong with him?
You want a vegetable?
This dog is something else.
Okay.
But,
Yes, we feed our dog vegetables, but she eats it.
yeah, she likes to eat vegetables a lot. But, I'm gonna get ready to get all up out of here. Appreciate everybody who's tuned in to watch this beautiful mukbang, because this is good. Try it. Y'all must try it. This is good. This is good. This is good. Y'all must try it. But this is good. Y'all seen our beautiful salad with bananas, grapes, spinach, carrots, red peppers, green peppers. We do it all. And I'm gonna get to a point where you're gonna see a lot more green stuff that we do. But that's that. Appreciate everybody who tuned in. Thanks to everybody who watching, who subscribing, who support their favorite BBW. See y'all guys in my next video. The next video will be a workout video because we do work out here heavy. We're about to get ready to get up out of this thing because we just about done. As you guys can see, look at this plate.
Bye.
I'm up out of here. On that note, make sure y'all stay positive, stay encouraged. Make sure you remember, if you want to be different, you must think outside the box. It's the baby BBW. I'm a